Hey, I'm going to show you how I made some sound effects in my game Lexilotl, which is a crossword puzzle themed uh, word guessing game where you try to see how many puzzles you can solve before you lose all your chances to keep going. Okay, so the ingredients to do this are I need a microphone, I need a special game that is little known. You may have never heard of it, but it helps me make the sounds. And then a little cup of water here. Maybe not so little. We're going to move some tiles around. We're going to drop some tiles. And then maybe a few little clicks and clacks with the tile stands. We're going to set up something cool here with the water. One more bonus sound because you're almost guaranteed to hear it in the demo here. Very technical. And as you'll hear, all this stuff ends up in Lexilotl. So this is a way where I made some just different sounding sound effects for my game. I processed them in Apple Logic and adjusting for time and a couple sound effect type stuff like reverb and whatnot. If you're curious about Lexilotl, it's available currently only on the Apple platform, but as I'm showing you here, it's coming to Android soon.